Okay, everyone, welcome to Dan with Senior E-Bike Nation. We're going to finish up doing this last segment of the video here. When I cross the intersection, we'll be back in the neighborhoods. It seems to be a little cooler today than it was a couple days ago. Maybe it's just me. Yeah, you can see that car right behind me on the camera, sitting at the stoplight. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I did tighten up my helmet strap. One of my subscribers mentioned that the other day, and I didn't realize it had got that loose. So I went ahead and tightened it up, because if I had ever fall off my bike, my helmet's liable to come off, not being secured to my chin. So yeah, I was paying attention to that after she mentioned it anyway. Still need to put my other YLG seat on the Cyrusher. That's the other bike seat that YLG sent me to review, so I need to get that done today, next week. So far, this seat right here is very comfortable. Yeah, I just missed my little bike trail entrance there I wanted to get back on. We'll turn around here. Back through this little park again. See a whole lot of people walking on this trail too much. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing some night riding with both of these bikes, the Cyrusher and the Zoda. I've got some very strong headlights on both of them. And I'm hoping my GoPro cameras do pretty well in with the night vision. I have not had those out in the dark yet, so I'm kind of curious what they'll do. We've been about an hour and almost 10 miles, 9.7. You can get quite a bit of mileage just riding around on the city streets. So I think we got some good footage today on the video. But we're going to go ahead and stop this video up here, and then we'll start it back up and we'll do a closing segment here, and then we'll finish it up for the day. So thanks again for watching my video. Share and like the video. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.